In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change account types in QuickBooks Online. So if you're looking to make adjustments to your chart of accounts, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. First, we need to head over to QuickBooks Online. You'll want to log in using your credentials to access your account. Make sure you have the right permissions to adjust account types, as this can impact your financial records. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll see a menu, find the Transactions tab, and click on it. This will take you to an area where you can view all your current transactions. However, what we're interested in today is adjusting account details, so let's keep moving. Navigate to the Chart of Accounts option. When you click on this, you'll see a list of all the accounts associated with your QuickBooks setup. This page is crucial as it allows you to manage different account types, making sure your financial data is classified correctly for reporting and analysis purposes. If you have a specific account in mind that you want to update, you can either scroll through the list or use the search box to find it. Once you've located the account, you'll notice a small arrow on the right side of your screen. Clicking this will open up a few more options. Next, select Edit from the options that pop up. This will allow you to modify details of your selected account. In this section, you'll see an option called Account Type. It's time to alter this to better fit your current needs or financial practices. When you click the drop-down menu under Account Type, a variety of categories will appear. Take a moment to scroll through and familiarize yourself with what's available. Each one serves a different purpose, so choose carefully based on what best aligns with the nature of your account. Once you've made a decision, for example, selecting Other Expense, you'll encounter a warning message. This is simply a precaution to remind you that changing account types can affect your accounting data and financial reports. If you're certain about your choice, go ahead and click Yes to proceed. Now make sure to save your changes by clicking on the Save button. QuickBooks will update the account type, and you'll see the new type reflected in the chart of accounts. And there you have it. Your account type has been successfully changed. This tutorial should help keep your financial records organized and accurately reflects the nature of your accounts within QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy accounting!